Good morning. This is a video in regards to swapping out fans on your all-in-one. As you guys are all aware, the cheaper all-in-ones are really loud, and it's due to these static fans inside here. I did see a guy on YouTube showing on how to swap out to these NF09 fans, but he didn't show the video. He talked about it and told people how to do it. So I thought I'd do a little video for you guys. So the first thing you do is take off the front cover and then unplug it from the back of it. It's pretty simple. Takes about 12 screws all around the base of it. Pretty simple. Just slide this top unit back and then it exposes the fans in here. Now, like I said, I'm just going to do one of the fans and then test it out, but I think I got it down. So the first thing you need to do is buy some fans, and you need to buy some of these wire connectors, because where you disconnect it in there, way down in there, I already took one out, as you can see, is these ones for this fan do not fit in there. You need a more narrow version of it. So if you go to Amazon, they have these wire harnesses, and there's like for $10, I believe, for this many. And so what I did is I'm just cutting the ends and swapping them out. The one trick, like the other guy said in the video, is you just follow the same wire pattern as this one, but you need to swap the two middle ones. So I believe I have it correct here. So yellow goes to yellow, and green goes to black, and red goes to the black on the fan, and the yellow goes to the blue. So if you follow that with this version of them, I tested it out and it does work. If you do it any other way, the fan will not work. And the key is just swapping these two middle colors on the fan connection. Yeah, you could just solder it, slide it back in, make sure it's pointing out, because this is how this fan works, is it sucks air and draws it inside and then blows it out through the bottom, which really doesn't make sense to me. You would think hot air rises, so they would want to have some holes on top of this thing, but I don't know. I'm not an engineer. So if you guys have any questions, just put it in the comment below, and I'll just be doing more solar videos here, because I find some people have some questions and I like tinkering. So yeah. And so I have my 48 volt system here. I have it plugged in into there, and let's power it on, see if it works. Looks like it's gonna work. This one starts up right away. Seems like it has a little more kick to it, but it's a lot quieter. It's spinning a lot faster. The video doesn't show it, but yeah. So it is working. I will just be taping those up and sealing that off. And yeah, like my video, subscribe.